Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another very short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can enable the 5 gigahertz in our Wi-Fi connection for our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. Okay, so let's get into it. So let's open first the command prompt window, and we can do that by making a search here in the Windows search tab, CMD. And then under best match, please click on command prompt, and you will see here the run as administrator option, so please click on that. And in here, once you do that, you will see the user account control window coming up on your screen, so just please click on yes. And the moment you do that, you will see this black window coming up on your screen. So here we need to type for a command, that's NETSH space WLAN space show space drivers. It's NETSH space WLAN space show space drivers. And the moment you're done typing, please click on enter. And in here, we need to look for the radio type supported. So if you see that you have 802.11b, then that means that your device supports 2.4 gigahertz. And if you see that you have 802.11a, then that means that your device supported the 5 gigahertz in the Wi-Fi. So let's now close this window. And let's now proceed with the device manager, and we can do that by making a right click here in our Windows icon and then go to device manager options. So once this device manager window is up on our screen, all we need to do is to go to the network adapters. So let's look for network adapters, and then once found, please click on this arrow here and look for the wireless option that you have. And once found, please make a right click on it and then click on properties, and then go to the driver options here and click on the update driver. And choose the first option, and when this is that the best drivers for your device are already installed, then you're good to go. Let's proceed with the next one. So let's just close this one and let's go to the advanced tab. So in here, when you see the preferred band, please click on the value option here. And if you haven't choose the prefer 5 gigahertz band option, please click on this drop down button and then click on the prefer 5 gigahertz band option. And once you do that, let's proceed with the last one, which is clicking on the 802.11ax or AC or N or ABG option here. And please make sure that you have chosen either 802.11ax or 802.11ac. And once you have done that, you can now click on OK and then close this window, and then just make a quick restart with your device, and then you're good to go. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.